So here you see there's a screw right here, and there's one here, and then there's one right here. That's the 3 screws, and then you go on this side here. So there's a screw right here, but it's missing, and there's one right here. It's still there, and then in the middle right here there's a screw. And once you remove all the screws, all you have to do is just open this up, loosen this up with your hand, and then lift the door or the door panel up to remove it. Lift it up. Okay, so one more screw inside here. Okay, let's see here. Got this here, this one on the light. All right, today I'm going to show you how to remove a window regulator on a 1993 GT. Well, it's not just 1993, all the way to 99. This is where the windows sit. It mount right here from the inside. This go in the inside, mount right here, and then those two, you see those screws, right? 1, 2. So from the inside, that's where it goes. So now, as you can see, this one, it wasn't long enough. So I don't know where, for what vehicle, but certainly it wasn't a GT. So they just sold it. It could be an Eclipse or something. That's down here. And then this is the motor. And you see there are 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3. So you see 1, 2, and 3. So this is where it is in the inside. So once you unscrew 1, 2, 3, and this will come loose, and then 1, 2, they'll come loose. 1, 2, they'll come loose. The glass, okay, from here. So it's best to bring the window down a little bit closer here where you can see it. Okay, bring the window down a little bit. So because that's where the window mount here. Well, I don't know, maybe the camera didn't show it, but what I was saying is the 1, 2, that's for the bracket. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's to hold the bracket, and then the window is in the inside. The window is bolted, and there's 2 here. So to have a better access, you can just slide the window down where you can see it from here. That's if it works. But if it doesn't work, you do the best you can. Because when I got this out of the junkyard, I had to fish my hand through in here to get this in. Anyway, but I will get this out for you, and you'll see what it looks like. It will be just like this. But let me try to see if this thing works. All right, this is the new one. It works. It works. All right, guys, this is a better close-up. To remove this bracket, that's the middle bracket that has the motor. The motor is in here. So first you have to remove this one here that holds the bracket to the door frame, and then there are two screws. That's the as you can see, 1, 2. So that's where the glass is being held. All right. For the I'm managing to remove the 2 bolts that hold this thing from up here, because that's the best, because I cannot bring the window down because the motor is bad. Alright. There we go. As you can see. And see, it's down. Yeah. You can see here, it's down. 1, 2. Okay. All right. So it has to go like this: 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna put this one in first to secure it. All right, I got the motor, and so now I just have to lift this and turn it and put this in. There you go. There you go. See, it sits there. See? See? That's the ones that I have problem getting from in here, but now I'm able to bring it down, and then put that here and put the other one. Okay. See? Too easy. Too easy. Alright, and then now we have, here we go. Now we have the bracket here. Set. See? And this is it. So now I'm going to put the door and try it and see if it works. Oh, I forgot to put, I was going to put some grease on the side, but I forgot. But anyway, I might still do it. And now I'm going to put the door panel back. The reverse side, I took it out. Okay, so everything should be fine. See. Yeah, it's loose because of this part it's missing, but again it goes up. The other one didn't do it. Now I'm going to put this back together.